Welcome back to another entry in the Live Free or Die experience. I'm going to take you guys down a short trail today because I just mounted some action cameras on the XJ. And we're going to see how they work. I want to incorporate them in future videos. So, for lack of better terms, today's video is primarily just for testing purposes. But we'll try to make it enjoyable. Let's go. Hardest part sometimes is just trying to get out of my driveway. Possible you might be hearing some squeaking. It's just another thing that I get to fix on my Jeep in the future. Straighten this camera out a little bit, that way I can focus on driving. But it's a great day to go Jeeping today. I'm looking at a nice toasty like 38, 39 degrees. Sun's out, snow's melting. It's gonna be fun. I think I found it. Just gonna turn on these action cameras and clean them off a little bit. They got a little bit dirty on the way here, and we'll see what this trail gives us. A wee bit dirty. There's two. Nice and clean. All right, back in business. To be perfectly honest, I'm not 100% sure where this road is going to take me. Usually if a sign says not a maintained road, it's usually a little bit more fun to go down. Well, that was pretty short-lived. It appears that's about the end of it. Actually, maybe trail straight ahead here. Don't know if I want to risk that right now, though. I get stuck in the snow without a trail buddy. It's not nearly as rugged as I was expecting it to be. There are pretty rugged areas out here. I've gone on a few trails with some Jeep groups before, and yeah, they're pretty fun. How much do you want to bet I'm going to clean those cameras off again? Off those cameras. Let's see if we can find another trail nearby. A little better than this, the last one we just did. I think we found it. There it is. I think I can handle that snow. Let's do it. too much fun. Is there such a thing as too much fun? Well, I think that was about the extent of the hard off-road stuff. I knew this trail in particular wasn't all that rugged. So there is one other trail that I know about. Nick and I are waiting to go on it until this snow clears up a little bit more. A little too worried about getting stuck in the snow. He's the only one with a winch. I'm still waiting on mine. Time to go turn those cameras off quick. Well, that's all for today's entry. It wasn't going to be anything super crazy. Just testing out these cameras today. I hope I got some good footage. I do also intend to take everybody on some more serious off-road stuff. Going over rocks and water and obstacles and everything in between. But there's only so much I can do when there's deep snow and I'm the only one driving today. So, thanks for coming out today. Thanks for watching. Until next time, until the next entry. Live free or die.